Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we will talk about LPT. LPT is an open surface inspection method in which we use it to detect surface crack, pinhole, and open defect. LPT mainly consists of two methods, first visible method and second fluorescent method. In this video we will talk about visible method, which is commonly used in industry. Today we will perform the visible liquid penetrant testing LPT method, which primarily utilizes three chemicals. Cleaner penetrant developer. First, we will thoroughly pre-clean the surface to remove any oil, dust, or contaminants. Next, we will apply the penetrant and allow for a dwell time. We will allow a dwell time of 10 minutes to ensure the liquid fully penetrates into any cracks. Then we will remove the excess penetrant using cotton in a unidirectional motion. Following this, we will apply cleaner to a fresh piece of cotton and thoroughly clean the surface to remove any remaining penetrant residue. Subsequently, we will apply the developer. The developer draws out the penetrant trapped within the cracks, making any indications clearly visible. As you can observe in the video, a defect is visible on this workpiece, highlighted in red. We will now evaluate the visible defect, after which we will perform the final post-cleaning of the workpiece. Thank you.